Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5Cast. Thanks for joining in today. This is a program where we answer your questions that you've submitted, and we thank you for submitting them. Please keep those questions coming. So today, the question is, can mom pay for various things? We're going to go over a few examples here that they've given us while she's living with me, or the flip side, maybe you're living with mom. So let's say, just to keep it simple, mom's declining. Maybe she's got Alzheimer's or her health is declining, and she's living with you.
And she's moved in with me.
Right.
Okay, so your question is?
So let's just go through a few examples. You and your family, which is me and the kids and your mom, we all go out to eat, and say there's 5 of us, and mom picks up the tab.
Okay.
Mom didn't eat 5 steaks, she just ate 1 steak. Now, while she's just living with you, it's not a problem. But what we're looking at, we're planning for like is not hoping it will happen. But down the road, what if mom goes to the nursing home and she's otherwise spent down and broke? DHS, what's one thing that they look at?
They're going to look at her spending habits.
Over the past 5 years.
5 years. Okay, so mom buys 5 steaks. Well, they may or may not pick up on that because that's at a restaurant.
But they know mom probably didn't eat 5 steaks.
Probably not. It may depend upon the caseworker. They may want a receipt for this. Did mom eat all of this food at the restaurant? Did she do this on a regular basis? What does her track record look like? Because what we're looking at is if mom spends money on other people, then that is a gift. If she spends it on herself, that's fine. She can eat a steak every day, 3 meals a day if she wants. But spending on herself is okay. Giving money or using money for others without receiving something of value in exchange can be considered a transfer.
So all of these things we're talking about here is if mom goes to the nursing home, mom applies for Medicaid, and to see whether she qualifies, they look back 5 years. It's like a 5-year window that they can look at and see all of the gifts or all of the uncompensated transfers she's made. So this is just an example. You may say, well, that's a silly example. It is, but we run across it all the time, where if it happens pretty often, mom and the kids go out to eat, and mom picks up the tab. Like Cindy said, mom can eat 3 times a day if she wants to. She can spend it for herself, no problem. But when she starts buying it for someone else, each time she does it, she makes a little uncompensated transfer or gift.
And that's not a big amount of money, but what if they go on vacation? And mom transfers like $1,500 because she needs an airline ticket, and then she books a hotel for herself. That's fine. But if she does it for the whole family for a trip to Disney,
yeah, she takes the whole family for Disney, and it's like $15,000. Well, that's pretty clearly a good size uncompensated transfer.
Okay, so mom has moved in with me. Practically speaking, the utility bills come in, and she says, okay, let me pay the electric bill this month. So she gets out her checkbook, and she just writes a check for the electricity. Next month, she writes a check for the water bill. And each month is something different.
Every 3rd month, she makes a house payment.
Because she's living there, right?
Right.
She's compensating you for what you are doing for her and the space that you're providing and utilities and everything. But this is not the way to do it. To do this right, you need to have this down in writing. Again, you need a contract with your family members for the care that they provide for you. And since mom's living in the house with me, I'm going to have an agreement, a rental agreement, and kind of portion out what she is paying and how much that is each month. So she can write a check. We can document that very clearly in the event that she ever needs to go to the nursing home and apply for benefits to help pay for her care.
So there's a lot of things here, and please don't try to piecemeal this together yourself, because it's important, and it's important that it be done right. It sounds ludicrous to have a written contract with your mom, but depending on the circumstances, as Cindy said, you may want a written care contract with your mom. You may want a rental contract with your mom, various and sundry other written documents that you may need to protect yourself and protect her in case she ever does go to the nursing home down the road. So please get with an elder law attorney and get this done correctly, because if she's declining and it looks like, down the road she may need more care than you can provide at home, this may become an issue, and it's important to have been done correctly up front rather than after the fact finding out, oops, we should have done that like 4 years ago or 5 years ago, and now it's too late. I think that's all we've got today. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a great week.
And if mom's living with you, thank you for being a caregiver. You're making such a huge difference in her life.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.